I just love what I do. I think I truly love what I do.
Suzanne Bernard is the bead merchant, a woman with a vision as vibrant as the baubles she sells.
When you look around this room, what do you see?
Potential. Just beautiful little pieces of potential.
This bead store began in Suzanne's bedroom. 30 years later, it's now believed to be the biggest store of its kind in the region.
It's my home away from home.
Allison Higgins shops here a few times a week. She makes handcrafted earrings.
I want quality merchandise, and I find quality merchandise here.
She's got all kinds of beads and stones and wire.
It's quite the collection of tiny treasures from all over the world.
We have beads from Tibet. We have beads, African trade beads that are 100 to 300 years old. We have semi-precious beads. We have bone. We have horn.
How many beads do you have in here?
Gazillions. We have so many, I have no idea. I mean, it would just be impossible to know.
You'll find a rainbow of colors and a menagerie of materials, from crystal to ceramic to these carved Arkansas river rocks from right here in Tulsa.
It's an absolute wonderland, and people might think that they have to know what jewelry making's all about, but they don't. They can come in and just explore and find a new craft for themselves, or just make something personal for someone in their lives.
Suzanne and her staffers are here to help with technique, tools, and hardware. You can book a party or a private lesson, or simply walk into work and pull up a chair.
I've had people come make fishing lures. I've had somebody come buy beads to fill their handmade hacky sacks, who's like some hacky sack pro. That was a new one. There's so many things that you can make.
The Bead Merchant, inspiring creativity with baubles, bangles, and beads.
Everybody who walks in here is either an artist or a future artist.
This is my favorite place.
In Tulsa, I'm Julie Chin, discovering Oklahoma.